What's up, YouTube? So today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the front bumper on your Toyota Celica. So there's supposed to be a bolt right there, but I broke it, or it broke. There's that one. There's gonna be like a plastic clip right there, another 10 millimeter, another 10 millimeter, and there's gonna be one right here. I don't know if you can see it. That one right there, and one on the other side, and that should be everything. Also forgot to mention, if you have the plastics under it, you're gonna need to take that off. It's probably just a few 10 millimeter bolts here and there. Should be the same thing. And then after you got all of that taken out, you're gonna just pop it out. Should be just like that. Alright, hope this video helped someone. If it did, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.